thought your beauty sleep could be a secret weapon for your skin and hair? Well, here are 5 winter overnight beauty hacks that will work like magic on your skin while you're busy getting that beauty sleep. Before I begin, subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Okay, so the first hack is to opt for a gentle exfoliation using a face cloth. When your skin requires a more delicate touch during the winter months, a soft cloth becomes the go-to alternative. This method ensures a mild exfoliation that leaves your skin smooth and radiant without any harsh effects. The soft texture not only prevents irritation, but also minimizes the effect of excessive scrubbing, making it a perfect fit for sensitive or winter dry skin. Let's dive into the second hack, overnight masks. On days when I'm looking for that extra boost of hydration, I reach out to the simple Water Boost Skin Quench Sleeping Creme 100-Hour Hydration. The rich and luxurious texture deeply nourishes the skin, ensuring it stays hydrated and replenished throughout the night, while you enjoy your beauty sleep. These masks create a protective barrier that seals in the applied moisture, which is crucial especially in the winter when the skin tends to lose hydration. What's great about overnight masks is that they are part of your PM routine, and you don't have to wash them off. Let me share a fantastic hack that's a personal favorite of mine, under-eye layering. You know, the skin around your eyes is delicate and tends to get dry, which can lead to irritation and those pesky fine lines. So after applying your trusty under-eye cream, here's the trick. Add a bit of Vaseline lip therapy. It's like a double dose of moisture. You're giving that delicate area a drink and then sealing it in. It's like a targeted slugging treatment. And the result? Plumper, happier under-eye skin with fewer fine lines. It's a game changer. The fourth hack involves applying dry shampoo before bedtime. This is especially beneficial during winter when factors like static and dry air can make the hair appear flat. Doing so lets the dry shampoo work its magic overnight, providing added volume and texture to the hair. This trick also saves you time in the morning and promotes healthier hair by reducing the need for frequent washing and heat styling. Here's a fantastic trick for waking up with gorgeous curls. It's called the pineapple technique. So what you do is you gather your hair into a high ponytail right at the top of your head so your curls sit up high. Secure it with a stretchy hair tie to protect those curls overnight. In the morning, bring your curls back to life with a curl defining gel. I personally swear by the Dove Beautiful Curls Defining Gel. It's light, non-greasy, and keeps your curls looking fabulous, frizz-free, and locked in all day long. So these were the 5 winter overnight hacks. If you're interested in purchasing any of these fantastic products, you can find the purchasing links in the description box down below. Time for me to go. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!